Today I'm going to show you how to customize WooCommerce Storefront fonts. This is a great way to give your online store a unique look and ensure your branding stays consistent across all your pages. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access all the customization tools you need to personalize your storefront. Next, look at the left navigation menu and click on Appearance. This will expand to show you several options related to how your site looks. From the options that appear, click on Editor. This is where WordPress allows you to control the visual aspects of your site, including fonts, colors, and layout settings. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice a section labeled Page Design. Under this section, click on Styles. This area is dedicated to managing the overall styling of your website, and it's where you'll find all the typography controls you need. From here, you'll see an option called Typography. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be presented with several font options that you can choose from for your storefront. Take your time browsing through these to find one that matches your brand's personality and tone. The right font can make a huge difference in how professional and cohesive your store appears to visitors. Under the Elements section, you'll notice that you can apply these typography settings to different parts of your site. Specifically, you can customize fonts for text, links, headings, captions, and buttons. This level of control ensures that every element of your store maintains a consistent look. For example, you might want bold, attention-grabbing fonts for your headings while keeping your body text clean and easy to read. Similarly, your buttons can have a distinct style that encourages clicks and conversions. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the fonts for your WooCommerce storefront, giving your online store a polished and professional appearance that aligns with your brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.